I've never been up this early on a weekend day on Saturday. I just got ready. It's currently 9:11. I'm gonna put this beanie on because I don't want, my hair isn't the best right now, you know? And I'm wearing like this huge shirt that I'm just gonna keep going like that with so it looks at least a little bit cuter. I don't want to tie it up, but I don't want to wear something too like, because I'm not into that, you know what I mean? But this beanie always looks kind of stupid. Like, right here it looks stupid, but, you know, be like that sometimes. Alright. Ew, I kind of look dumb. It's like, this shirt is so big. We're gonna go with the same beanie as yesterday. My sister got it dirty green. She was wearing this beanie yesterday and now it's kind of gross. I was like, how do you get food on a beanie? How do you do it? Alright, that's what I'm wearing. It's not anything cute. It's just casual. It's a Batman shirt that's like way too big for me. My jeans that I need to get rid of. And a maroon beanie with my Converse. So yeah, I don't even know if it's cold outside. Oh, I'm going out to breakfast and I think to the movies with my friends. It's not windy. Yeah, that's where I'm going. That's why I'm getting ready. Yeah.
We're here to get your stuff.
We should get like a bag of chips.
Ruffles. We're gonna get Ruffles.
I tried it. We tried it.
Ruffles. Do we want the big bag?
Should we get Ruffles?
Or Pringles or something?
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know, Tristina baby. Tristina baby.
Got you. Ooh, those are good.
To complete transaction. Thank you. Did you press card?
Yeah, you did.
I did.
Yeah. Insert card.
Smart.
It's gonna be a great day.
1, 2, 3.
I can't see nothing. I don't even know if the camera's on her. She doesn't like pictures. Ever.
But then Jocelyn.
I don't know what you guys are talking about. I do not like it.
I'm so cold.
I'm free.
Where is she going?
I don't know.
Vlogging?
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh my god. You can! Sorry. Hi. He just meowed! Oh. You can! I'm so grossed out! This was an accident. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Watch them not work. This is the best decision I've ever made in my entire existence. Look. I don't know if that's recording. What do you want to listen to?
It is recording.
Oh, I just made ugly faces. What? Oh wait, I didn't even show what they were watching. The Grin. Okay.
you know, look at my kitty. Oh my god, I love her. Like, sometimes at night, oh, I have you on a gorilla pod, which is kind of awkward, but I'm gonna keep it on here because I want to. I froze this, so it's like slushy inside. It's amazing, honestly. This is my like life right here. 10 out of 10 recommend. Anyways, I forgot my Capri Sun. Whatever, my stomach hurts anyways from the apple cider vinegar. Anyways, so let me tell you what's going on. It is currently 2:02. I need to plug in my laptop. I'm sorry, Bean. I don't mean to disturb. Sorry, no, don't move. Don't leave me. Alright. So, here's what's going on. It's 2:02 in the morning. Alright. My stomach really hurts. Anyways, so... Oh, okay. So, finals this next week. We don't have school Friday, so it's only Monday through Thursday. But we have finals every single day. Oh my god, I really feel like sick. I really probably shouldn't have taken, oh well, it already happened, so there's nothing I can do. Like literally, like, oh my god, okay. I think I need to go to sleep. I don't know what's going on with me. I just feel really sick right now. Ew, okay, I don't like this feeling. Like my stomach is making like weird noises, and you know, like making, you can feel it doing whatever the heck it's doing. I feel like I'm gonna throw up, but like I know I'm not. It just feels disgusting. Like literally, this is legit. Like I'm not even kidding you. Like I feel sick. I was fine 2 seconds ago. Anyways, so I have an art project due. I already finished my like beginning of the DBQ final thing. I already finished that. I have to outline my essay and then write the essay. I don't know how the schedules are gonna work for finals day. I have no idea what's going on. I'll be right back. She's under my tree. Oh my goodness, I have to put a bed under there for her now. She looks so lonely. It's almost 1:30, like 2 minutes to 1:30. And I literally sat in the restroom for 20 minutes because I literally stopped vlogging because I thought I was gonna throw up. I have a thing where like seeing somebody, hearing somebody, or even myself throwing up terrifies me. Cannot do it. The last time I did throw up was like 2 years ago. Don't want to jinx myself, knock on wood, God forbid. But I was so terrified. I was looking up how not to. I was trying to like drink so much water that that's what made it worse. And I actually had the flu, so there was no coming out of it. I said that really dumb, I'm sorry. But I just hate it and I cannot do it. I know I sound really like stupid and stuck up or whatever, but I just can't. It terrifies me. Like, so yeah, let me tell you what I ate today. I went to Denny's with my friends in the morning, and I ate like half of 2 pancakes, like, you know, like when they give you 2 pancakes on top. I ate half of that, and then I ate a little bit of eggs and 1 sausage, and then I ate a bunch of red vines. Oh, I drank coffee in the morning at Denny's, and then I ate a lot of sour gummy worms. Then I came home, ate a piece of pizza that was like really small. It was the last piece of pizza and it was so tiny. And then I ate, I had like 1 pizza crust that my sister left. And then I drank coffee, like a lot of coffee, like so much coffee because it was good and like I didn't really care. And then that's it. That's all I ate today, and most of it was just coffee and junk food. Like I didn't have an actual meal. And so then I literally took apple cider vinegar, and like 3 minutes later that's how I felt, and that's what just happened. And then I ate a chewy granola bar that my mom bought today. Like she bought a whole box of them, and I ate one, and like I had only eaten half and I already felt better. So it's because I didn't eat properly today that I felt that way, because usually I eat like avocado toast and then I'll eat a healthy lunch, like, or something. I eat something healthy and I'm usually fine, and I can drink coffee as much as I want. But oh my god, today it was just not good at all. Like I don't, oof, like I know what happened, but like, ooh, no, I'm never doing that again. Okay, anyways, so I'm gonna take my laptop, obviously, and everything, my backpack, to my grandma's house so that I can do my homework and a lot of stuff. I have so much stuff to do, I can't even go into it. I just know I have a lot. I explained it all to my mom on Friday after school, and she was just like, wow, like what the heck. So I have to turn everything in by Monday, and then I have finals all week. We don't get out early on Wednesday because Wednesdays we get out early. But yeah, so we have finals all week. Don't have school on Friday, so I guess that's cool. I don't know why we don't have school, but we don't have school, and I don't really care to know why. I just know we don't have school. And I want to get my grades to straight A's, and I want to pass these exams, and I need to turn everything in by Monday, so I'm going to be really working hard tomorrow, and I have laundry to do, and I want to do my hair. Also, my mom's going to cut my hair, which I'm really excited, so I'm going to shower tomorrow morning, do my hair at my grandma's, and then have my mom cut my hair. I'm going to cut it to like maybe my, like right here under my boob, or like mid. All I know is I want my hair a little bit shorter. I don't really, like, I like length, but I don't want it so long, like, you know, like I don't want really short hair. I kind of want short hair, but I don't at the same time. But I do want like semi-short, you know, like I don't know. I just really hope that my hair still stays like naturally straight, because like my hair used to be really short and it wasn't nice. It would poof up and I would have to straighten it and it would be dead. But then my hair got long and it weighed down, and now it looks like just naturally like barely wavy, which I like, but I just don't want it so long. But anyways, so yeah, I have a lot going on. All I know is that I'm just thinking about the end. This is what girl, aka Stephanie, my aunt who lives in New York, hi girl, if you're watching this, but she always says like think about after, like think about when it's over. So I have 5 days until this is over. I have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then it's over, and I have 2 weeks of break. Obviously, after that, I have to deal with the thought of not having straight A's, because I know I'm not going to have straight A's. I know I'm at least going to have 1B or 1C or one of them that's not an A. I'm hoping. And I'm doing like so much extra credit for math. I'm asking the teacher, stupid language arts teacher, I don't mean to be mean, but I really don't like her, if I can do something extra, and she just doesn't let me. But, I mean, she doesn't let anybody. She hates everybody. You're gonna lay. That would be cute if you did. Anyways, so yeah, that's just my life overall. That's what's going on right now. But I'm just thinking about, what are you? You just sat on my laptop. I'm just thinking about when it's over. I'm thinking about after I study, hopefully I do good. I'm like literally praying that I do good, that something goes good for me, and that I at least pass 2 finals out of the 4 that I'm taking. I know I'm gonna pass my history one. I know it. I'm gonna be in AP history next year. I just know it. Like, I love history so much, and mainly because of my teacher. She's so supportive and she's like so amazing. Yeah, I love my history teacher, and I love that class, and I understand it, and I do the most in that class because it's so easy for me. So yeah, which is why I'm taking the AP final for it, so I can be in AP history next year. But yeah, all I know is that I need to do a lot more, and it's junior year. Junior year is supposedly like the toughest year, because it really is, because you're starting to look into colleges and everything. And then hi, I don't even think you can see him. He's behind my laptop. I didn't even know he was there. That's like my laptop's warm. That's so cute. I have him right there. I have her under there. Already know. Look at my playlist. Like, this is my Yep playlist. It's all like my explicit music. It literally says explicit next to it. I love music so much. Like, and then right now I'm just obsessed with Suicide Boys, and this is my favorite song. Also King Tulip, and also Avoid by Lil Peep. Oh my god, it's so good. Look at this. If you don't listen to Lil Peep, I recommend. I would have it louder, but my cat's right here and I don't want to disturb him. It sounds kind of weird if you don't know, but like, it gets better, I swear. Look at my room. Like, what am I?
What am I? My mom did this for the video, her video, but I really want to listen to 122 Days. Oh, also Beamer Boy. Oof, that one's good too. Oh, King Tulip. Let's listen to a part of that. Really good song, my dude. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just listening to music and transporting footage from the card onto my laptop, and yeah. Okay, I'm done. I'm cringy. Bye.